So I've been working a little bit on the the GT today. So I removed the side covers, the seat, the tank, reflector, and I removed the cylinder head. So here we have the cylinder. It's in a very good condition. I also removed the flywheel, but then I took it back again. I removed the drive chain. I added these cushions for the tank because I have them already in my spare parts. So that's basically it. The lights here, they're coming one red and one yellow. Now the yellow turns into this black and goes to the high tension coil, and the other one goes to this stuff. I think this is some kind of a regulator, not original, I suppose. Okay, so let's see in here. We have some parts here. And then the seat is there. And the tank is in one of these boxes.